Hey guys, I am currently filming this on Thanksgiving night, but I just wanted to make a little intro. I know most of my videos on my channel don't have an intro, but I'll work on that. So I just want to give a little disclaimer. The video you're about to watch has some graphic-ish content. There is a sheep kidney involved. I recorded my biology class in college. Enjoy. Hello. Your vlogger is here.
It's on.
Hey.
It's sharp. Okay. Now we're gonna cut longitudinally, so you've got kind of like a skinny thing. So you want to go down smooth, longitudinally. So you're gonna cut like this, down all the way. Okay.
Okay.
And be careful, it's sharp. So please don't cut yourself.
Here. It's sliced. It's sliced right on in. It's sliced right on in.
Oh, you just splitting that in half, huh?
That's what she said.
She said in half?
Oh no!
I thought she said.
You're screwing it up. It's supposed to be smooth.
Yeah, you want to go smooth and not choppy.
Okay.
Oh, we're just splitting it in half? Yep, longitudinal.
Ooh, it stinks. I'm really hoping that this little lip isn't blocking the camera.
Yeah, so
Do we
first
dig
of
it
all,
out?
Can you see the renal cortex versus the medulla?
Nave, say hi. Oh fuck. I don't need the juices on my bracelets.
Oh, break it.
Please don't.
You should take it.
This tissue here on the outside, that's the cortex, and everything else here in the middle is the medulla. Okay?
These were the things in the picture.
Yes, exactly.
Those are the pyramids.
Yeah.
Right. See the cortex, and we look at the medulla. Now we gotta find the pyramids, which some of you already
Gross me out.
You see camera? Make sure you get all the angles.
All right, guys. My hair looks a mess. Don't look at it right now. It's just.
Literally in my pocket. Show them where the camera is. Right here. Just. Oh.
It's like right there.
Oh, strong.
that merge to make the major, and then you can't see the renal pelvis.
It's not.
See the tube? See that little tube? This one right here? That's the minor, which comes to the major, which is then going to connect to the renal pelvis.
Yeah, I see them. Look at it.
Yeah, so when you see at the end, if I lift it up, see them? So that's like the tip right there. See the tip?
This one right here. All right, it's strong now.
I'll try to dig away around the ureter to see to get to the top. And the only other thing we didn't mention.
You can't take it anymore. Oh shit.
Well,
That happened. We're going to show the camera.
Look, you could like see like all the inner gooey.
The inner goo.
The inner gooey
Inner
in
goos.
the little
Closer.
tube.
Careful, it's sharp. You want to lobotomy?
What?
Lobotomy.
Oh no.
These are the tools.
okay, and then you need to rinse your utensils, and it'll
Am
be
I
wet.
cut?
So you put like a towel on it. Okay.
Is there anything else?
Nope, that's it. So where's your pit? Is this your pit container?
It's easy.
Alright, so here are the pyramids. That should be a picture. Yeah.
Well,
So
I need to wash my hands.
Ew.
We gotta. I'm about to go. Thanks for coming to our video.
I got crust.
Oh, we're close. We're close.
No.
Goggles are in the back here.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below how you think.